Shaitanirajim, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss the fourth type of this artificial method of vegetative propagation, that is grafting. What is grafting? This grafting is actually the process of joining together parts of two different plants in such a manner that they live as one plant. And it is the process of joining up parts of two different plants in such a manner that they live as one plant, or in other words, it is the physical and physiological joining of parts of two different plants to produce a single plant for the best economic advantage. And what we do here, we combine parts of two different plants physically as well as physiologically. That is, we make their physical joining and physiological joining. That is, the features of these plants are also combined in such a way that we produce a new plant in which parts of these two plants they live together. That means the plant is possessing the qualities, properties, features of both the participating plants, out of these plants, these two plants, one is rooted into the soil. That is, we use part of one plant containing rooted part of one plant. We can see this rooted part of one plant is called stalk, and we use piece or part of shoot of another plant containing or bearing some buds. And if we use a small piece or shoot of another plant containing some buds, that part, that piece of another plant is called a stalk, that is called scion. That means it is a stalk scion relationship. When we take stalk of one plant and scion of another plant and combine them in such a way that it produces a new plant possessing the properties of both the plants, that is the plant which is providing stalk and the plant which is providing scion. Generally, stalk is taken from a plant which is having strong root system and is resistant to the environmental factors and diseases. And stalk is tim plantuk nema which is having strong root system and which is resistant to different abiotic stresses, that is environmental factors, disease, etc., which is having generally a strong plant, healthy plant, we can see, which is generally a healthy plant, which is resistant to diseases, abiotic stresses, whether it is drought, water lodging, or any other environmental factor, any disease causing agent which is resistant to these, we generally take stock of that plant. And scion is generally taken from a superior quality plant. تہٕ یُس یہِ یعنی یَتھ وَنو أسۍ کٲشِر پٲٹھۍ یہِ چھِ پایوَن چھِ أسۍ تَتھ کُلِس کران یُس سٹرانگ چھُ آسان ہیوِنگ سٹرانگ روٗٹ سِسٹم یَتھ نہٕ زیادٕ بٮ۪مٲرۍ چھِ پوران کینٛہہ. مِثالٕکۍ طور أسۍ چھِ کران یِم ہسا مہرٲجی چھِ کِسر چھِ بہٲرۍ کُلۍ چھِ یِمن چھِ أسۍ کران پایوَن کیازِ یِم چھِنہٕ جلدی ہۄکھان کینٛہہ یِمن چھِنہٕ سِکیب تہِ جلدی کھسان کینٛہہ یِمن چھِنہٕ بٮ۪مارِ تہِ زیادٕ زور گژھان کینٛہہ. بٹ سِکیان یُس أسۍ پایوَن ٹوکرِس چھِ لگاوان that is generally taken from delicious or American. Both are superior quality plants. They are superior quality plants. So we produce a plant having root system of delicious having Maharaji, Kesri or any other strong plant, healthy plant, and Sikan is taken from a superior called plant that is delicious American. So we produce a new plant having qualities of both the plants, that is having strong root system like the Maharaji or Kesri or any other plant, and having shoot system of delicious or American plant which are superior quality plant. It consists we bring about the physical and physiological joining of two different plants for best base of economic advantage, and we get best economic advantage. This grafting it is practiced only in dicotyledons because they contain cambium, the lateral meristem, the meristematic tissue. यही cambium के मदद सहित हसा छ stalk तो सिक्यान पान में combine गसा. It is not found in generally it is not found in monocots. Now this grafting it is generally of two types. Akis is wana graft grafting and another we call as bud grafting. यानी grafting यथ आम पे वन अर पाइवन यह गई चशम अर पाइवन यानी यथ मज directly kara a piece a part of the shoot a piece of the shoot is taken used for grafting. Here we use only a which we can say Sikyan is here graft. Sikyan is a bud and it is a bark of the bark and with containing some amount of this cambium and bud. Del aktola del tolat at such is bud thava intact. Bech thava thoda mass yani which contains cambium. Yours is T-shaped incision banawa T-shaped cut stalk kara then it is fitted into this into the stalk into the notch cut made on the stalk. It is covered with moist soil. Pachas nebirkin kapra wala. It can is bud grafting one. It contains bud. It contains bud. It is bark of the plant. It is bark together with some amount of cambium and buds. Fit kara था वो bud grafting one. तो grafting में piece plant इस्तेमाल shoot इस्तेमाल करा which is fitted into the stalk. So this tongue this grafting it is further of many types but we will discuss here only two types, that is tongue or web grafting and number is two is that is wedge grafting, wedge or V-shaped graft. The difference between the two is only on the base of shape of graft, that is Sikyan and stalk. Any stalk the Sikyan uses Sikyan stalks must fit kara. What is the shape of the stalk and the notch which is made on the graft atku shape chu. So you see tongue graft atma is we cut both the stalk and Sikyan. We give them a cut which is tongue shaped or whip shaped. Both stalk and Sikyan, and both here stalk and Sikyan they are of the same diameter. They are of the same diameter. We give purchase kara kami clay matha moist clay grafting clay yath is wana purchase ne bikin ki kapra wapra wala. So it can after some time after some days physical and physical joining of these two parts takes place. So usual tongue just wedge grafting atma simply is kara we give V-shaped cut to the stalk and opposite V-shaped which we call as wedge reverse V-shaped cut to the Sikyan. I think is the grafting के लिए इंदिन वाला याथ matha पच्चीस ने भी मेज लगावा after some time आज joining आसा गमत physical and physiological joining इतकन चीज पूछा बंद आसा कूल आख कसम that fruit cinera, they are shoot cinera, that is of another plant. It can we get a plant which is possessing qualities of both the plants, that is stalk, that is rooted plant, the plant which contains root system, and the plant whose piece of shoot we use for this purpose. This is all for about grafting. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.